Which term is used for police officers who possibly accept and take advantage of opportunities of corruption? A. Meat eaters. B. Grass eaters. C. Opportunist. D. None of the above. Answer: D. None of the above. Another term for expiation. A. Egoism. B. Explication. C. Atonement. D. Explanation. Answer: B. Atonement. What is the component of justice that is concerned with the allocation of the goods and burdens of society? A. Restorative justice. B. Distributive justice. C. Social justice. D. Any of the above. Answer: D. Any of the above. The term referring to the power of making decisions or a choice is A. Decision making. B. Vision. C. Discretion. D. Problem solving. Answer: C. Discretion. What is the geographic territory claimed by a gang? A. Beat. B. Turf. C. Territory. D. Bellman Patrol. Answer: B. Turf. Which is referred to as the group of citizens patrolling at night and armed with rattle to call for help? A. Watchman. B. Rattlesnake. C. Rattle Watch. D. Bellman Patrol. Answer: C. Rattle Watch. Which is sometimes referred to as a special heinous crime? A. Infamous crime. B. Famous crime. C. Crime. D. Offense. Answer: A. Infamous crime. What is an accusation based on probable cause by grand jury charging an individual with a specific crime? A. Pilferage. B. Accusation. C. Indictment. D. Inducement. Answer: C. Indictment. A crime discovered after the perpetrator has left the scene. A. Hot crimes. B. Cold crimes. C. Crime scene. D. Either A or B. Answer: B. Cold crimes. What is a civil wrong which the court seeks a remedy in the form of damages to be paid? A. Gift. B. Tort. C. Crime. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Tort.